Are you dreaming of turning your passion for baking into a successful home business? Introducing Eddie, the ultimate edible ink printer that will bring your stunning designs to life on your favorite sweets and desserts. With its carousel trays, this equipment makes it effortless to print on multiple sweets and desserts simultaneously, saving time and enhancing productivity. From delicate macaron shells to decadent almond chocolates and perfectly baked white cookies, all can be created with just one printer. Our solution brings your creative visions to life with precision and vibrancy. Each print is a work of art, adding that special touch of personalization to your desserts. The result? Stunningly decorated sweets that not only taste amazing but also look irresistible. Perfect for any occasion. Unlock limitless possibilities with Eddie, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. Trust in our solution and launch your home business today. With us, you're always a step ahead.